Hello and welcome back to Miss Morning Muse. Are you ready to improve your English by learning one sentence at a time? Then this video is for you. In this video, we will learn some daily used English sentences that we use in different occasions of our daily life. These sentences are really helpful for the people who are just started their journey of learning speaking English by their own. In this class, I will use slow English. New learners, the beginners of speaking English, will get it easy to understand me, to hear my sentences and repeat that after me. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. So, let's begin. Our first word is greeting someone. In greeting someone, what we say? We say, hello, good morning, how are you? In response, we usually say, I am fine, how are you? Ba, how are you doing? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Have a great day. See you soon. The second part is self-introduction. In the case of introducing ourselves, what we can say? Hello, my name is Shutapa Shorkar. I live in Kolkata. I am from India. I work as a teacher. My profession is teaching English to new learners or the people who are eager to improve their English speaking by their own. My hobby is reading, listening music and spending time with my family. Third part is daily routine. In our daily routine, what we can say usually? The sentences will be, I wake up at 6 a.m. Then I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I have my breakfast. I go to work by bus. I come back or I return from my office by bus at around 6 p.m. I prepare my dinner by my own. I take my supper at around 10 p.m. Then I go to bed by around 11 p.m. In the case of introducing your family in front of others, what you can say? You can say, I have a small family, or I have a nuclear family, or I have a joint family. My mother is very caring. My father is very hardworking. I love spending time with my family. We celebrate all the festivals together. In the case of doing shopping or buying something from the market, what sentences you can use in public places? Here they are. How much is this? Can I get a discount on this? Do you have this in a different color? I will take this. I will pay by using my card. At a restaurant, these English sentences you can use to improve your communication with the waiter or any other person who is helping you in your orders or in serving your food. Can I have the menu, please? Can I have the menu, please? I would like to order a sandwich and a cup of cappuccino. I would like to order a sandwich and a cup of cappuccino. What do you recommend to have? Or what is special in this restaurant? The food is delicious. Can I have the bill, please? I will pay by using my card or I will pay by cash. In the case of asking direction from someone, what sentences you can use in front of others by using English fluently? These are the sentences. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Or excuse me, where is the railway station? Can you tell me how I can go there? In responding to someone, what you can use? You can say that go straight, then take a left. Go straight, then take a right. It's next to the bus stop. Or it's next to the market. Or it's next to the building. After getting the direction from any unknown person, what you should say to her or him? Thank you so much for helping me. At the doctor's place or in a hospital, what English sentences you can use to convey your messages or your thoughts clearly? Here are they. I don't feel well. I think I'm getting fever. I have a severe headache. How often should I take the medicine? How often should I take the medicine? Thank you so much, doctor. I will surely inform you about my recovery. Sentences that you can use in a workplace. What are they? They are, excuse me, I have a meeting today. Can you please send me the email? I will surely finish the work by today evening. I will surely finish the work by today evening. Let's discuss the problem with the manager. Let's discuss the problem with the manager. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much for your help. During a travel, what English sentences you can use in a public place? Here they are. Can you guide me? Where is the railway station? Excuse me, I need a ticket for the next stoppage. Excuse me, I need a ticket for the next stoppage. Can you tell me what time does the train leave? Have a safe journey. Here are some daily used English sentences that you can use to improve your fluency. What they are? They are, could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? Sorry, I did not understand that. Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? That's a great idea. That's a great idea. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. Practice makes people perfect. Practice makes people perfect. We should never give up. We should never give up. Always believe in yourself. Always believe in yourself. Keep smiling. You can do it. You can do it.